What's up there, ladies and gentlemen? You know what time it is. Time to wake and vape with Johnny, damn it. Tonight, gonna do a little review. Good friend of mine over at Jersey City at 2VapeDecks, Anderson and Stiller, has hooked me up with something beautiful. The Marley box by Silver Wolf Customs. You guys, gals, go out and get yours today. Look at this thing. This is beautiful. Full mechanical, no wiring. 100% made in the Philippines. This beautiful laser etched logo. On the side, you got your serial number. Another little design there. On the bottom, you have your copper caps with your silver coated copper contacts for the batteries. This is beautiful. Very nice. Look at that. Get your silver 510 in there. Copper. You got your yin yang design on that. Let's slap some batteries in here. Check this bad boy out. I'm going to screw on my RDA. I tell you, everything about this box is beautiful. The threads are so fine and clean. Smooth. Don't want to cross thread that. No. No. There we go. So smooth. Beautiful. Here's your cap. This is nice. Look at this. Silver plated copper contact. Fully adjustable. This also has a fine thread. And what I've noticed is on the bottom of the cap, it doesn't have some crazy design where you have to make some screwed up tool to screw this on. It's like a giant flathead, but on the inside, it's radiused. Perfect for a penny. So don't use a tool steel flathead screwdriver to screw up your cap. You frickin' animals. I don't know who does that shit. Take care of your stuff, you know? This is beautiful. It's so smooth. Snug that one up. Snug up the other one. No battery rattle. If so, take your little flathead. Be careful not to scratch it. Snug them up. And let's check out this bad boy. Ooh, nice and smooth. Freaking animal. Let's strip this and rip this. Yeah, I have the hollow point. It's nice, but it's got a little trigger creep to it. I own guns. Ain't no trigger creep on those things. Nice and smooth. Put my cap on my turbo. Got my vape saber glass Pyrex on there. Let's check out this button on this bad boy. It's nice and smooth. No drag. No nothing. Just animal. Wow. Amazing. I tell you, this little whistle inside this turbo, I should be wearing like a clown nose or something when I'm pulling on this thing. But anyway, this box it's beautiful. It feels solid. Very nice. Delran. The edges are got like a little bevel to it, so it's not a sharp edge. I'm just afraid to get my grimy mitts all over everything. I'm gonna have to start wearing gloves. Jesus, this is beautiful. I tell you, they definitely hit it out of the park with this bad boy. This is nice. Well, anyway, friends, you stay hydrated. Be safe. Build safe. Vape on. I'll leave you with this.